Hello students, in last class I have sent the photocopies of this chapter's solution. So today we will discuss about this chapter's problems. Okay, so triangles and its properties. We have learned about triangles in PS1 that triangles based on the sides, triangles are of three types. Okay, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Scalene triangle means no sides are equal. That means all sides are different in length. And equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal and one side is different in length. Okay, and the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle, that means all the three angles, if we add, then we will get 180 degree allows in case of triangle. Okay, so before studying the solving the actual problem of this chapter, we have to know what is median and altitude of a triangle. So median, first of all we have to know what is median. So median of a triangle is a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite sides. Suppose ABC, we have considered ABC is a triangle, and suppose A, we consider A as vertex, C is also a vertex, but we consider A as vertex, and opposite sides of vertex A is BC, and BC is midpoint. You know what is midpoint? Suppose if it is 6 centimeter, then midpoint will be in 3 centimeters. So BD and DC. So D is the midpoint, okay, of side BC, and opposite sides of vertex A is BC. So if we join from vertex A to midpoint of side its opposite side BC, that means D. If we join AD will be the median of this triangle. Also, if we consider C as vertex and C's opposite sides is AB, and if E is the midpoint of AB, then if we join C to E, then CE will be the median of this triangle, also a median of this triangle. Similarly, from vertex B and its opposite sides is AC, and AC's midpoint is suppose F, then if we join BF, then BF will be the median, okay, median of this triangle. And then we have to know what is altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle is a line segment that is perpendicular to one side of a triangle, and passes through the vertex. From vertex to perpendicular, if you draw a line, perpendicular means 90 degree, then AD will be the altitude of triangle ABC. Okay, now start the actual problem. So in question number 1 says that a figure is given. The figure is given, and figure I have not drawn it. Okay, let me draw the figure first. Okay, so you can get the figure in your book. It is P, it is Q, it is M, it is 90 degree symbol, it is D, and it is R. Okay, from this figure we have to, in triangle PQR, this triangle name is PQR, and D is the midpoint of QR. According to question, D is the midpoint of QR. Midpoint means it is the midpoint. That means this side length and this side length is allows equal. Okay, now you have to find PM, line segment PM is what? Question number point 1, PM is what? Okay, so PM is altitude, as we have discussed that the concept of altitude, that PM is the altitude from this vertex to this line perpendicular. Okay, so it is altitude. And second point, PD is what? PD, find what is PD. Okay, so PD is median because P is a vertex. Okay, and opposite of P is side of opposite to P is QR, and QR midpoint is D, and D is joined to the vertex, so it is median. We have discussed about median, so revise this. Okay, and last point is, question says that is QM equal to MR. Question says that is it possible that QM equal to MR? Okay, so it is impossible, QM not equal to MR, but we can say that QD equal to DR. Why? Because D is the midpoint. QM equal to MR, we cannot say QM equal to MR because M is not the midpoint of this line. D is the midpoint of this line. So this side equal, not this side are equal. Okay, so it is no. Answer is no. QM not equal to MR, as D is the midpoint of QR. Okay, D is the midpoint of QR. That is why QM not equal to MR. but we can say QD equal to D, or as D is the midpoint of Q. Okay. So question number 2 says that draw rough sketches for the following. You have to draw the sketches. That means you have to draw the figure, rough figure. Number A, in triangle ABC. That means first you have to draw a triangle ABC. So we have drawn triangle ABC. It is a triangle we have drawn. Now BE is a median. BE is a median. So you have to draw BE is a median. ABC drawn triangle, and E is a median. So B is a vertex, and B's opposite sides is AC, and midpoint of AC is AE. AC is E. So join BE. So BE is the median of this triangle. Okay. Number B, in triangle PQR. Okay. PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. So in triangle PQR, we have drawn a triangle PQR. We didn't draw the triangle like this. Why? Because we will not get two altitudes here. Okay, P, Q, R. We will not get two altitudes here because this line not perpendicular to this line. If this line is perpendicular, then should be this type of line. Okay, so it is not possible. So we have drawn like this. So PQR is a triangle, PR is altitude, because from this vertex to perpendicular to this line it is perpendicular, and from this vertex to perpendicular line on this line. So these two lines are altitude. PR and PQ are altitude of triangle PQR. Okay. Number C. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. In XYZ triangle, YL, in XYZ triangle, YL is the altitude, but in the exterior of the triangle. So we have drawn XYZ is a triangle, and YL is altitude exterior on the triangle. So this is the actual triangle. This is the actual portion of the triangle. So we have drawn by dotted line. YL is the altitude of this triangle, exterior of this triangle XYZ. Okay, in this way you have to draw. Number 3. Question says that verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of a isosceles triangle can be same. That means you have to verify by drawing diagrams whether the median and altitude of isosceles triangle are same. Okay, so let us consider a triangle ABC and draw the median when AB equal to AC. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle which two sides are equal, AB equal to AC. AL is the median. From this vertex to opposite of this vertex side is BC, and midpoint of BC is L. Okay, so join this vertex A to the midpoint of the opposite of its opposite side AL. So it will be known as the median of this triangle. Also, from this vertex, this line is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so it is known as altitude. So AL is median of this triangle as well as altitude of this triangle. Okay, so median and altitude of the given triangle, AL is the median and altitude of the given triangle. That means median and altitude of this triangle are same. Okay, then number 4, which is very not number 4, sorry, exercise 6.2, question number 1 says that find the value of unknown in exterior angle x in the following diagrams. That means you have to find the value of unknown angles, that is x, from exercise 6.2, question number 1, Roman number 1. Okay, so you have to draw the figure. So this is the figure. This is the figure. It is x. It is 50 degree. It is 70 degree. Okay, so you have to find the value of x. Okay, we know a theorem. We have to know it is. These problems are very important. Okay, we know in a triangle, exterior angle. Exterior angle means this angle. This is the interior angles. These angles are interior angles, and this angle is known as exterior angle. That means outside angle. Okay, exterior angle, that means this angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles means opposite angles. These two are opposite angles. Okay, these two, sum of these two angles equal to this angle. So we can write x equal to this angle plus this angle equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree equal to 120 degree. Okay, so answer is 120 degree. Number 2 figure is, I am drawing two figures and two problems figure. It is x, this is 65 degree, this is 65 degree, and this is 45 degree. Okay, so this is the exterior angle. So this angle, exterior angle x equal to opposite these two angles, opposite of these two angles will be added. Okay, 65 plus 45. So 65 plus 45 equal to 110 degree. X equal to 110 degree. This is the answer. In this way, you have to solve the number 3, 4, 5, 6. Solved. Answer is there. You have to try yourself like this. Okay. Hope you can solve this. Okay. Number 2 is find the value of the unknown angles, that is x. Okay. Figure is given there. I have shown one figure. It is number 1 figure. So this way figure, this is the exterior angle, these are the interior angles opposite to this angle. Okay, so we know that exterior angle equal to sum of these two angles. So x plus 50, that means x plus 50, if we add these two angles we will get equal to this exterior angle. So x plus 50 equal to 115, x plus 50 equal to 115, x equal to 115 degree minus 50 degree, because this 50 degree is plus sign in this side, and if it goes to right side then the sign will be negative. So 115 minus 15 equal to this. If we subtract 50 from 115 we will get 65 degrees. So answer is therefore x equal to 65 degree. This is the unknown angle is 65 degree. Number 2, same way you can see the figure of number 2, that exterior angle is 100 degree and opposite interior angle is 70 degree and x. So 70 degree plus x equal to exterior angle, that is 100. So x equal to implies x equal to 70 degree goes right side by changing the sign. It is plus sign, it is in this side it is minus, and 100 is there. 100 minus 70 equal to 30 degrees. So therefore x equal to 30 degree. Okay. Number 3, you can see that exterior angle given is 125 degree. Okay, and the opposite interior angle, one is x and the other one is the symbol of right angle. Okay, so we can write symbol of right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. So x plus 90 degree equal to exterior angle is 125 degree, implies x equal to 125. This plus 90 will be minus 90 in this side, right side changed. So 125 minus 90 equal to 35 degrees. So value of x, that means unknown angle, is 35 degree. And remaining problems, that means number 4, 5, 6, you can try yourself. Okay, all the remaining problems of question number 2 are similar. Okay, you just have to use this formula, that exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, this I am repeating once one more time, that 115 is the exterior angle, these are the interior angle of this triangle. Okay, this exterior angle equal to sum of these two angles, not these angles including. Okay, leave this angle, add these two angles equal, and result equal to 115. Solve this, you will get the result.